I don't know. Koba iskati esingakanani lesokuso. Only you understand how much hurt I'm going through. Tiko, Father, only you that understands how much I've been hurt by this person. Oh. Father, I don't want to carry the pain for another second. I don't want to carry this pain for another second. Father, I don't want to be a bitter person anymore. Oh, Father, this is my turning point. Father, this is my turning point. Father, you see inkumu and Solomuntu. But I don't want to be bitter anymore. This is my turning point. Today, this morning, Father, I'm turning to you. I'm choosing, Father, I'm choosing forgiveness, Father. I don't want to carry this pain anymore. I don't want to carry this pain for another second. This is my turning point, Father. Help me understand, Father. Today, I'm turning to you, Father. I'm choosing to forgive the way you have forgiven me. The way you are forgiving me when I trespass, Father. Father, I come to you this morning. Today, it is our turning point.